Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change bank info on OnlyFans. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and log into your OnlyFans account. Once you are in, click on your profile icon at the top left corner. From there, select Become a Creator option on the left hand menu. Now, if you have already added bank details before, you will see them listed here. To change your bank info, click the edit button or trash icon to remove the current details. After that, click add new account and you will be asked to enter your new bank account details like your name, account number, bank name and any required tax information. Make sure everything is accurate because this is where your earnings will be sent. After entering the info, double check for errors and click save. And that's it. Now you know how to change bank info on OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.